how to use Afterpay with Walmart. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. You can continue with your Afterpay application in your mobile device or simply open afterpay.com in your Google. Here I'll go with the Google Chrome, and on the search URL you have to simply type in afterpay.com. Now select your region or language from this option. And after that, on the search bar, you have to simply search for Walmart. And once you search for it, you will get Walmart gift card loaded in your screen. So you can simply tap on Walmart gift card and make sure that you have strong internet connection. Now there you will get two options, one to either buy for yourself or to send to a friend. So tap on buy for yourself, and after that you have to fill in some of your personal details such as your first name, your last name, your email, and you have to confirm that again. Once you confirm it and tap on confirm button, there you will get all type of details such as expiration date and terms and conditions. So that's how you can use Afterpay with Walmart, and that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next tutorial.